Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make buttermilk salad dressing. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, like full-fat buttermilk, mayonnaise, sour cream, and a selection of fresh herbs. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. You'll also need some apple cider vinegar, salt, and black pepper to perfectly season your dressing. Make sure your herbs are washed and dried before you start chopping them finely. Now, let's start by combining the creamy base. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of full-fat buttermilk, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and 2 tablespoons of sour cream until smooth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for a subtle tang. Finally, season generously with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. This is where the fresh flavors truly come alive. Stir in 2 tablespoons each of finely chopped fresh dill, chives, and parsley. For an extra kick, add 1 small clove of minced garlic. Mix everything thoroughly until all the herbs are evenly distributed throughout the dressing. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, adding more salt or pepper if desired. Once your dressing is perfectly chilled, give it a final whisk and it's ready to serve over any of your favorite salads. It's fantastic on a simple green salad or even as a dip for fresh vegetables. This easy method ensures a delicious, creamy dressing every time. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.